This is Kuaile 2. We are in the workbook on page number 64, and we are going to correct activities 7 and on. So the first one, choose the parts to form characters according to the pinyin. So according to the different radicals we have here, we have to form the characters here. So I'm going to do this one. So here you have the different characters, okay? And we need to use the different radicals we have here. For example, for the first one, we are using this one here and this one here. The second one, we are using this one here. And also we are using this one here. The next one, number 3, we are using here the radical for sun, and also this one here. Shu, in order to express this idea, we have this and this one here. Xue, this we have the upper part here and also here. And the last one, Li, from Di Li, okay, geography. We have in one place this one here, okay, and the part on the right. So this is the correction for this exercise number 7. Please check your answers, and we're going to continue to the next one. Exercise number 8, we have to write the words or phrases with the characters given according to the English, okay? That in your book, if you have it in Spanish, you will have some differences, okay? I'm going to do this one. I will change German by Ingwan, okay, English, because that way you have it the same as in your book, okay? If you have any slight difference, don't worry too much, because this is because of the different versions of this book. Here you have all the characters, okay? Instead of German, I wrote English, okay? 英语, but the rest are the same. You have the pinyin for these words in the book, okay? So I'm not writing the pinyin for each one of these words because you have it and we don't have much space here. So I do prefer that you have the characters. But if you have written the pinyin, that is okay, okay? For example, history, remember, 历史, geography, 地理, go to class, 上课, tomorrow, 明天, music, 音乐, English, 英语, physical education, 体育, and mathematics, 数学. Okay, please check your answers, and we are going to continue with the next activity. We continue with activity number 9 on page number 65. Fill in the blanks with the number of the correct picture according to the Chinese. We have 8 pictures, but remember that we only have 5 sentences here. Okay, so we are not going to use all the pictures that you have here. This is important to know because otherwise we don't know how to do this exercise. Okay, so here we have different books with different topics. According to the topic of each book, we have to decide which one goes with each one, okay? So I'm going to do these sentences now. So we're going to do the first one. 明天你有什么课？我有历史课. So if you realize here we have these characters, 历史, so number 6, okay? Number 2. 你今天上了什么课？我上了音乐课. Again, here we have the characters for 音乐, so we have to pay attention to this on the front of each book, okay? Next, 明天你有历史课吗？没有，我有数学课. Tomorrow I have maths. And again, if we pay attention here, we have here 数学, okay, which is maths. And now, number 4, I'm just erasing this 德语 German and leaving English, okay? Because that way we can do it as same as in your book, okay? This is important. So here we have an English book, okay? So if you're using the Spanish version of this exercise, this workbook, activity book, you can do it with English, okay? Number 4. And the last one, 星期五我没有地理课，你呢？我有地理课 geography. And number 2, as you can see here, we have the characters for geography. Okay, so with this, we've finished correcting these 5 sentences. Please check your answers, and we're going to continue with the next activity. So we continue in page number 65, activity number 10, okay? Choose the correct translations. The first sentence we have here is, I had music class on Friday. And we have 2 different possibilities. We have to choose A or B, okay? The first one, 我星期三上了音乐课，我星期五上了音乐课. The key here is in these 2 words, okay? 星期三, remember this is Wednesday, and 星期五, this is Friday, okay? So this one is the correct. Here we're writing letter B, okay? We continue with the next one. I have geography and mathematics tomorrow. And again, we have 2 different sentences. 我明天有地理课和数学课 or 我明天没有地理课和数学课. If you realize the difference here is in this particle may, which is not. So I have. I'm not saying that I haven't. So in this case, the correct one is A. I'm going to write it here. Sorry, just 1 second. A. Okay, so here you have A. Next, I don't have Chinese class tomorrow. And again, we have 2 sentences. 明天我没有汉语课 or 明天我有汉语课. Again, the difference here, may. So as I am saying here, don't, the correct one in this case should be A, okay? 明天我没有汉语课. Tomorrow I don't have Chinese lessons. So this one, again, A. Number 4, I like physical education and German class. Maybe in your book you have English class, okay? So anyway, we can do this one. 我喜欢上体育课，不喜欢上德语课. The meaning is, I like physical education, I don't like German or English, okay? If you have the Spanish version of this book. And letter B, 我喜欢上体育课和德语课. I like physical education and German or English if you have the Spanish version of this book. So, 我喜欢上体育课，不喜欢上 this part is I don't like. But here we are not expressing this idea. So in this case, we have letter B. Now we move to the next one. Number 5, I can speak Chinese and French as well. 我会说汉语，不会说法语. I can speak Chinese. I can't speak French. Or 我会说韩语，也会说法语. I can speak Chinese. Also can speak 法语 French. As I can speak both of them, the correct one in this case would be B. So please check your answers, and we're going to finish with the last exercise. In this exercise number 11, okay, the last one that we're going to correct in this video, we have to write different characters. So here you have some of my suggestions to you, okay? In this case, I'm suggesting you to review some of the vocabulary, some of the characters that we've been learning in this lesson, okay? The first one, 明. Second one, 天, 明天. So we form this word, 明天, tomorrow. 上课. We are talking about going to lessons, going to the classes. And the last one, 历史, which is history, okay? So please try to finish this and send your answers to me, so that way I can check your writing. Please remember, you can at any moment stop the video, rewind, and that way you can go fast through this correction.